Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. If any one of you are watching me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. I am going to share you about my favorite lip balms. So during this Nykaa sale and all of that sale, I have purchased few lip balms and I've been trying out these lip balms these days. So I just thought I'll just make a review video of this so that it will be very useful to anyone who are looking after these lip balms. So all these lip balms are below 150 rupees and today I am going to review 4 lip balms which is considered as my current favorite because I am using that since many days and I am loving the lip balms as well. So I just thought I'll just make a review video of those lip balms. So without much late, let's go. So let's begin with the first and my all-time favorite lip balm, which you might have seen in many of my videos. I've been speaking about this because I am obsessed with this lip balm, which is Nivea lip balm and which is under the shade Pomegranate Shine, and this is my Sathi since so many years, guys. So many years, I must say, it's been around since so many years, guys. I don't even remember since when I started using this. It hydrates your lip. Also, it acts as a lipstick. Also, if some days if you are not willing to apply a lipstick, then you can definitely apply this. It also acts as a lip balm and as well as a lipstick because it has a slight tint of any variant. If it is a Pomegranate Shine, it has a light tint of this, this light maroon color tint you have. So it gives a tint as well as a light, a glossy look, as well as a, it keeps your lips so moisturized and hydrated. So this is absolutely a superb lip balm, I must say, and this comes below 150 rupees, guys. So MRP I don't remember because I purchased this one year ago. It is your skin. If your skin is damaged, if you apply this, it repairs your lips as well. So this has a superb formula and this is just amazing lip balm, guys. You have many variants in this. So in this which I chose is Pomegranate Shine. Earlier I also had some few other variants. I don't remember the shade names as such, but this is an amazing lip balm. If anyone of you are looking for a lip balm below 150 rupees, this is mostly preferred and I love this lip balm. So this is my first recommendation. The second lip balm I would like to introduce is Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. Oh my god, this is just amazing lip balm. So first preference will always I give for this Nivea lip balm. After that, if you ask me which is the best lip balm you have used ever, I would say this is Lakme Lip Love because more or less Nivea and Lakme has the same feature. Okay, once you apply, you feel like both are almost same. Here and there are slight variations because that gives a very good tint and a glossy look, but this doesn't give that. Even though it is tinted, but it doesn't give that tint. That tint will not be highlighted. Very good moisturization to your lips and it hydrates your lip very much, guys. So I would say in the absence of Nivea, you can definitely go for Lakme because both has the same function. Both varieties of shades also available in this, and this is also amazing lip balm. So it also hydrates your skin, repairs your skin, moisturizes your skin, and superb. You can also use this as a base for applying lipstick as well. So this comes, as I told you earlier, this comes for below 100 rupees. So if anyone who are looking for below 100 rupees lip balm, then you can definitely go for Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. Is my next favorite lip balm. Yeah, so the next lip balm that I would like to say is from Nykaa. So this is Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm. So this is mostly known as a chapstick. So in Nykaa you will always find this in different offers. So you also have multiple variants available in this lip balm as well. So this is not at all tinted, guys. Though it has a slight, it gives a slight color, but it is not at all tinted. Once you apply it on your lips, it only gives that glossy look, but it is not at all tinted. So in that case, if you want to use this only as a moisturizer or a pale lip balm, then you can definitely go for this. And if you are looking out for a tinted lip balm, then this will not serve as a tinted lip balm. So again, the categories, the features relies the same as we have talked about Lakme and Nivea. This is hydrating, moisturizes your lip very much, and it also repairs your dead skins on your lips. So this is absolutely great lip balm, guys. For this price range, this is absolutely great, and this comes for around 120 rupees, I guess. The MRP is 149 rupees. This is one of my favorite lip balms. So this, as mentioned, if you want a lip balm without a tint, then this is absolutely superb lip balm, guys. So it has a very decent smell, and if you apply also, it is easily applied on your lips and it gives a very neat and glossy look. So this is my favorite lip balm. And the last and the final lip balm that I'm going to introduce is a very cute lip balm, which is my which I really like. The packaging of this is just superb, guys. So this is Nykaa Lip Crush. So this is a macaron shaped lip balm. I really loved how the way it is packed. So the packaging is just superb. So this is really cute, right? So this is my last lip balm that I would like to share. So this is under the shade Blueberry. It has a very good smell of blueberry, guys. So it smells so good that it keeps you refreshed all the day. This looks as a blue colored one, but it doesn't have a tint. When you apply it on your lips, this is not tinted at all. It looks again as a glossy look. So I would say you can use this for daily purpose. You can use this as a daily moisturizer to your lips. The other thing that I would like to say is this serves great as a base for lipstick, guys. So before applying lipstick, if you want to moisturize your lips with some lip balm, then you can then this will be a great option for that. And also you can use this as a daily moisturizer as well, because this doesn't give any tint. You can easily apply it on your lips, and it looks so beautiful on your lips, and it gives a hydration to your lips all the day, guys. Packaging wise and as well as the performance wise, this is a superb lip balm. So this comes for around, I think the MRP is around 240 or 250 rupees, but I got this in some offer for 125 rupees from Nykaa. So you can get this in some offer all the time. So you will have to keep a regular check on the offer. Then you can definitely get it below 150 rupees. Yeah, guys, so that was all about my 4 favorite lip balms which I am using currently, and I am in love with all of these 4 lip balms. So these 4 lip balms are very good to your lips, and it keeps your lip hydrated and moisturized all the day. So hope you have liked my video. So if you are liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any valuable suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you are interested to purchase, don't worry, I am just leaving the link of all of these products in the description box. Please check it out and grab your favorite lip balms. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.